Hello friends, welcome to Shivani tutorial. In this video, I am going to share a simple and easy neck back design for the blouse. Mark 2.5 inches for the neck. Length of the neck is 9 inches. Here I am marking 2.5 inches from the downward and joining it all together with the 2.5 inches of the upper side. Shoulder 3 inches, armhole 6 inches, chest 10 inches, I am taking 1 inches extra. Now I am showing you how to make round shape for the armhole. So friends, that was the back side. Now I will make design of the neck. Here I am marking 1.5 inches and making the design. So this is the design, and now I will show you how to cut it. Make sure that you cut it carefully without damaging the design. I have made a curvy design. You can make a straight or round shape design as well. This is how you can make neck design of the blouse. Cut the fabric in round shape for the armhole. So friends, that was the neck designing of the blouse. In this video, I am going to show you how to make design on blouse sleeves. Length of sleeve is 6 inches. Mark 3 inches on the other side and make proper line for cutting. This is the drawing of sleeve. Now we will cut it. Mark 1 inches for stitching. Now we'll make 2 inches on all 4 sides and we'll make a small box. Keep folding it to the end and then cut it. Here we have same size square cutouts. Now fold it like this and hold it from the end to make a flower. Make the flowers from all the square cutouts. Stitch them all together and then cut it nicely into separate flower. First of all, fold the cloth from 1 inch margin and then stitch it. Make a margin line at the end of the arm and start making design. Take each flower and stitch carefully. Here we have our design ready and now we'll stitch lace on it. Here we have our one sleeve is ready. Now we'll prepare another sleeve. Second sleeve is also ready. We'll place the lace on it. This is how you can design a simple blouse sleeve into a designer blouse sleeve. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do like, share and comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel.